Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix blink cam not connected to sync module. If you have same problem and you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow these steps. Home electronics which use your Wi-Fi network may be cause a conflict when setting up your blink devices. If you receive the unable to connect to sync module when adding cameras to a system, including the blink video doorbell and mini, try removing home electronics from your Wi-Fi such as smart thermostats, baby monitors, microwave ovens, and refrigerators etc. Once you complete the setup process, you can place your home electronics back online until you complete the setup process. Here you can see the other troubleshooting steps, like use a different phone or tablet, restart your mobile device, delete and reinstall the Blink app, switch off mobile data, use your home Wi-Fi executively, disable your VPN, disable antivirus apps, relocate the sync module to increase signal strength, move the sync module closer to the router, no closer than 3 feet away, disconnect all Wi-Fi extenders and mesh access point. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.